What is good, everybody? It's your boy Leo Rose, and right now I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of an overview of what is cryptocurrency. Where does it, how does it affect us, and how can we get involved in this? You know what I mean? So, real quickly, I'm gonna show you guys basically how you get involved into cryptocurrency, as well as a few other ways that you can invest some money into it as well. So, and just before I do that, let me explain to you what it is. So, basically, cryptocurrency is a new form of currency, right? This new form of currency is detached from the banks. What that means is that these beautiful currencies don't necessarily follow the same guidelines as the old government and banking system created. These currencies were originally created for people who did not want to use government money and wanted to use some form of untraceable, private money. And that's what cryptocurrency came about. That's how cryptocurrency came about. So to understand the movement of how cryptocurrencies work, you really want to start to understand the stock market. And basically the idea is, as people buy in, these coins are going to raise up in price. If people sell the coin, it's going to go lower in price. So let's get into this app here. I'm going to explain it a bit more in detail for you. So crypto.com, I want you guys to go into the App Store and look up crypto.com. And we're going to open that up once you've got it installed. So these balances here, they're not my balances. They are the balances of the actual coins. I've got my balance hidden at the top for obvious reasons. So I'm going to show you guys. Let's go right into Bitcoin. And I'm going to explain a bit about what's going on here to give you guys a better explanation. So this graph here is showing you the value of Bitcoin. So when it started, it's essentially 0, 0, 0. And it's been raising ever since. And it's now worth $57,000. That is a lot of money, you know what I mean? For one Bitcoin, if someone was to buy one Bitcoin or own one Bitcoin, they would right now own, $59,000, which they can sell, okay? So you can sell a Bitcoin for $59,000. You don't have to sell it to a person. You just hit the button sell, you sell it back into the market, right? So that's basically how these graphs work. So these different graphs are people, buying, selling, different people owning it and selling it. And that's why it's moving so much. And this actually moves basically based upon the way the world is running, or the way that people are actually, reacting with reality. And this is not something that is just full common knowledge with cryptocurrency. This is how it actually works. The reason that it spikes or falls is generally based on society. Something that has really happened over these times of lockdowns is a lockdown will hit, right? And say this might have been before lockdown, things were chilling, and then lockdown was coming up, and boom, there's like a sell-off. I'm not saying that this is necessarily what this gap here is, but this is what I'm saying is the people have recognized that, hey, we can gain a lot of money through cryptocurrency when the old system tries to lock the world down. We can hop on our phones and make some money still. It's okay, So that's why this is such a powerful thing as well right now. It is the future of currency. Not only that, but it will keep you afloat. If you need some extra money, this is a great way to invest, a great way to look into investing. And understand, I know some of this stuff might seem a bit over your head or whatever, but understand that this is the knowledge they should have taught you at school. They should have taught you about the markets. It should be common knowledge, because all of these companies, everywhere that you go shopping, they utilize this every day. This is why Elon Musk is the most richest man on earth, because of the stock market. He owns stock, Tesla stock is through the roof. That's how he's gaining his money. It's in the market. So this is where the money's at. So basically what you would do is, I don't want to be here telling you your own personal keys as to when to buy in, but you want to research these coins. What are they? Okay? What is their future? Right? What kind of investment are you trying to make? Are you trying to make a HODL, HODL, or hold on for dear life, meaning, are you going to hold this coin long term, right? Are you going to hold it for, say, 3 months and see what the market does? Like this. Look, 42K all the way up to 72K. If you pulled out there, that's quite a large profit. You know what I mean? So there's a lot of money to be made in this. There's a lot of different levels to it, I guess. But it's really, once you understand the basics, if it does seem a bit much, if it does seem a bit scary to you, it will make sense to you quite quickly. Just think of it like a video game, or anything else that you learn. You can figure this out, and it is the new world of currency. So you want to figure it out. It's worth it. It's worth it. So, say you were to buy into this, there's different ways where you can use this. You can do little things called scalps, where you can look for opportunities in the market. Say there was a giant dip like this. You could assume, that this was a good time to buy in and hold it and gain money there, or hold it long term. There's many, many ways to do this. If you guys would like more detail about actual buying and selling and things like that, then just let me know and we can go into more detail in that. The same as the market as well. I can show you guys how to actually utilize the stock market to make money. So yeah, I hope this explained it well. I don't really think there's anything else I need to explain. Basically, you just want to get into an app like crypto.com, which is great because you can buy Visa cards and all sorts of things with this. And there's also other apps like CoinGecko, I believe. I believe there's a few other ones. There's a lot of other ones, but yeah. Crypto.com is a really great one to go for, especially at the start. And I recommend holding on, finding a coin that is going to do well long term, or looking out for coins that are going to be having a burst soon that you can buy in and maybe have, hold on for an hour or two and come out again with some nice profits. So there's many ways to play this. Obviously, just put money into it. If you're not, ready for it, you want to put money in there that you are able to play with, and see where you can take it. But definitely check out Bitcoin. Definitely check out cryptocurrency, as this is the new age, even the new age of art and all this. There's a whole new world coming together right now, and with the digital side of things, cryptocurrency, NFT, that's where it's going. So definitely recommend checking this out if you haven't already. And enjoy making some beautiful money on your phone. Much love.